Let me help you with your Universal holiday wish list. Let's go do some shopping. Let's step into the City Walk Universal Studios store first. In here, I'm going to show you the gift of roar. For $15, they have bitty chompers. These will, the mouth here will chomp down or clamp onto like your clothing or something like that. They have blue, they have Indominus Rex, and they have the Mosasaurus. So you just clip that on your shirt, your hat, whatever you want to clip it onto. Well, what do you know? For $22, you can get a little Scarlett Johansson action figure. Oh, there's a dinosaur, a velociraptor with it too. Now for $30, there's this big Spinosaurus head. But what it does, it also comes with a couple little smaller dinosaurs, is you can open it up like fully, and I guess create a little action figure scene. For $16, a tag to go on the front of your vehicle. $50 for the pull-over hoodie with the classic Jurassic Park logo. You know, you gotta hand it to them. That first park was legit. The $33 t-shirt, the shirt design changes color in the sun. This is without the sun. With the sun, it gets more like red in there. Now let's take a lap around Universal Studios Florida, popping in and out of stores. Let's take a look inside of the Minions Evil Stuff store. $30 for the black t-shirt. $45 for the large sturdy plush. Take a good look at it, but it comes with, what is this? This is attached to it. Is this a bag? I think it's a bag to carry it in. Look at this long sleeve shirt for $30. That's on the front. That's on the lower front. Stuff on the sleeves as well. There we go. That's one sleeve. Is anything on this one? Oh yeah, up higher. Okay, let me double check the price. Yeah, $30 for that one. 30.00 plus tax. $60 for the emo hoodie. That's what they're calling it. That's what the tag says, emo hoodie. It's a pull over your head. It's got the front pockets there. That's the front of it. The sleeves, I think that says Minions. The other sleeves, does it say anything? Yes. Or is it Villains? Oh, no, it says Minions. And the back, oh, nothing on the back, but there you go, your emo hoodie, $60. And then $30 for this white Minions t-shirt. It says Minions right there. A couple of broken hearts. There is a graphic on the back. There it is. Haven't seen that before. You know what? Since I showed you some evil stuff, I should show you a little bit of silly stuff. The red Let's Get Married t-shirt for $27. So many popcorn buckets, I cannot keep track of them. This seems like a new one. It must be. It has a, a menu with a Santa cap, so it is seasonal. It is $29.99, and of course, your first fill of popcorn is free. Here is a $30 t-shirt, and truer words have not been put on a t-shirt before. Being awake is overrated. I think we'll go inside the Tonight Shop and check out some hashtag merchandise.
Oh yeah, that's the only stuff you want to get here at the Tonight Shop.
A hashtag head that serves as a backpack. It is, what is that, $45 for the Panda backpack. $30 for the hashtag the Panda plush. That was a big plush. This is a smaller plush for a smaller price. $25 for it. For how much is this hash? This is $22 basically. Do you recommend this?
Listen.
A good Christmas gift?
Recommend everything here in this specific section right here. It might seem like it's a little steep, but you know that all of that money is going directly to the most important part of Universal Studios. Hashtag the panda.
I would say.
This, and we need to make sure that these executives up there know that this is really important stuff right here with hashtag the panda.
I think he certainly outranks Jimmy Fallon for sure.
I mean, what do you think of when you think of the Tonight Show?
I think of hashtag.
And hashtag the panda, of course.
Yes. So let's show off this mug one more time. This little tumbler here. Well, on one side we have your big face, a big face of hashtag, and it says hashtag the panda, $21.95. And that's how you use it.
Every day I want to wake up and think of hashtag the panda when I'm drinking my coffee on the way to work. When I wake up, all I want to think about is you, buddy.
So nice of hashtag to help out with the merch search today. Hello, Hat My Hit. How are you doing today? We're gonna go inside Sahara Traders and look at some mummy merchandise. For $33, the mummy t-shirt. It's a ladies cut, I believe, the way the shoulders and the sleeves are, but I think it looks pretty sharp. And I also like this baseball style tee for $33. I like the graphic on it and the color, kind of color palette as well. For $90, what do you call a shirt jacket? A shacket? Anyway, we have embossed here the mummy. It's hard to, I think maybe you can see it now. It buttons up the front. It's like just got really heavy shirt, but like a jacket, I guess, you know. Like I said, a shacket. Big graphic on the back though. There you go, big The Mummy graphic on the back for this $90 shacket. $15 for the mummy mug. That is one side of it. And there's the other side with the cool graphic. Cool little coffee mug. I wonder if Brendan Fraser has one of these. Now let's step inside of Rosie's Irish Shop. $30 for the Finnegan's t-shirts. I have the black one here, but the one I prefer is the gray one down here. I like the color of this one, this Ireland established 1916 shirt. I like that color green. $30 for the I Heart Gingers long sleeve t-shirt. Into the Film Vault, located on Delancey Street. $20 for the Bates Motel coffee mug. That's one side of it. On the other side, just blood. Halloween Horror Nights is over, but still plenty of Chucky merchandise on this wall. Starting with, I think I'll show you these sweatpants for $55. And then you do have a matching hoodie for $70. I guess you need both, right? You need the top and the bottom. Look at these classic Monsters tattoos. Tattoo FX, $7 a piece. There's the Monster, the Invisible Man, Gill Man, Wolf Man, the Bride of Frankenstein, and Dracula. $7 each. I actually bought a couple of the tattoos to give out as stocking stuffers for a couple of family members. There's actually some Jaws merchandise inside of the San Francisco Candy Factory. Let me show you. Check out, for $22, this Hello Kitty vinyl figurine set. Yeah. Thanks for chomping by, kitty. And then you have this whole wall of Jaws merch inside of the store. The hat is $28. Looks like it got nipped there, didn't it? I think my wife Nikki has this hat here for, what is this one, 27? This one's $27. $20 for the collectible spoon. The 50th anniversary Jaws collectible spoon. I guess some people do collect spoons. Let me show you 2 or 3 things inside of Diagon Alley. Inside of the Quidditch supply shop, we have this Hufflepuff hat, trucker hat, $29. I think I want to go back to wearing this hat. So if anyone's looking to buy me a Christmas present, I'll take 2 or 3 of these, or 1. This style is a little more at $32, but it's not really my style, the flat bill type. I don't think I'm cool enough for that. For $59 here in the Weasley's shop, we have an interactive Pygmy Puff. That's what it looks like there. It looks like you can wear it on your wrist or on your shoulder. Sound activated, the head movements and sound, a breathing motion, a touch sensor. I think this is fairly new. I haven't seen anyone wearing those yet. Inside of Madame Malkin's, you can get a Ron Weasley's Christmas sweater for $90, or George Weasley, or Fred Weasley, or a Harry Potter Christmas sweater. Each one's $90. There's this little shop outside of the Duff Brewery featuring Duff merchandise. Let's look at a couple things. I kind of want this shirt. Body by Duff for $27. I like the blue. That's the reason why. And look what just came back after being gone for a while. Moe's Tavern Flask for 25 bucks. Good to have you back, Mo. And here's something fairly new, a shot glass for 12 bucks. Kind of meant to look like a beer mug or a beer stein or something, or yeah, like a beer glass, but it's a shot glass. And here's something for my Christmas list. 20 bucks for this Duff beer mug. It's one of those that you keep in the freezer, so to be chilled when you pour your beverage into it. It's been a while since they've added any or changed any ET merchandise, so let me just remind you of a few things they have in here. Let's start with a classic looking t-shirt for $27. Look at this bag for $50. Round like the moon. Classic imagery or image on the front side. The back side just says phone home, but also has a little sleeve pocket there as well. So let's look at the front again. Cute. $37 for the Be Good baseball style t-shirt. ET in a red hoodie. And speaking of red hoodies, what's over here? $39 for this red ET hoodie. Zips up the front. ET right there. The side says, what does this say? I can't. Oh. I'm lost. Phone home. Or if lost, phone home. I know one kid, she's grown up now, who would have loved this plush as a kid. Right, Nikki? A look inside of the 5 and Dime reveals a Woody Woodpecker quarter zip jacket. That's the front of it. It's $95. Anything on the back, I wonder? Let's see. Oh, yes. There we go. That's what the back of it looks like. And here we have a $30 Woody Woodpecker t-shirt, black t-shirt, short sleeves, the graphic on the front there. And then this long sleeve t-shirt for $45, front graphic. Have some stuff on the side here as well, the left sleeve. I didn't know Woody was into racing so much. 30 bucks for the blue Woody Woodpecker with the racing flags on it and everything. Well, I think I helped you spend enough money for one video. Until next time, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun.